Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to check the temperature of this laptop. If you want to check the GPU temperature, you just have to right click the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Then open the Performances tab, go to the GPU 1 section, and at the very bottom you'll find the current temperature of your GPU. If you want to check the temperature of your CPU, however, you'll have to install a separate application that is called Core Temp. So let's open the web browser, go to the search engine and search for Core Temp application. You'll find the official AllCPU website from which we'll be downloading it. Open it, then click download and wait until the setup file is downloaded. Then click on it to open, and you can close the browser at this point. Wait until now click yes, then click next, accept the user agreement, of course read it first, then click next. Then you can select the directory for your program by clicking browse and selecting the folder from your file explorer, then click next. Then if you first of all uncheck this checkbox right here, and then you can choose whether to leave or to get rid of a desktop shortcut by either keeping this checkbox checked or unchecking it. And also you can decide if you want to install additional language packs. You can hit this checkbox. If you don't, uncheck it, and then click next, click install and wait until the program is installed. Click next, uncheck the readme part and click finish. And here in this application you'll be able to check the temperature of each core on your processor, as well as the minimum registered temperatures and the maximum registered temperatures and the load of your processor right here. And that's how you check your device's temperature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.